Good morning, guys. How are you? This is our third class. No, it's actually the fourth class in the second weekend of April. But actually, it's the third class that we are recording, that you have a virtual class. Okay, what are we gonna do? We are gonna work today on the pages 20, 21, 22, 23. That's all. We're gonna work on 4 pages, 2 sheets, okay? Well, first of all, what are we gonna need? We're gonna need side-by-side book, notebook, and pencil case. Believe me, today we are gonna use the notebook. Yeah? Okay. You already have your stuff and you're ready to receive the class. Well, today we are gonna make a little hearing or listening exercise. Yes? You're gonna listen and you're gonna write it. Yes? Well, what are we gonna start? Oh, how we are gonna start? Well, we are gonna start hearing and watching the model. How is the structure and how is the pronunciation? Why I need you to learn the pronunciation? Because when we get back to school, we are gonna have a little conquest to see who is the one that is practicing in the house. Okay? Well, I'm gonna zoom the page and so you can sew it. And I'm gonna put the track so you can sew the model of the example of the exercises 1 to 12. Okay? Well, let's start. Okay, are you ready? Well, let's start.
Page 20. What's everybody doing? Listen to the model.
Where's Walter?
He's in the kitchen.
What's he doing?
He's eating breakfast.
Okay, in here we can sew the contraction where's and state where is Walter. We get the contraction he's in the kitchen, not he is in the kitchen. What's he doing? No, what is he doing? He is eating breakfast. ¿Qué quiere decir? ¿Dónde está Walter? Él está en la cocina. ¿Qué está haciendo? Él está comiendo, ahí vemos la terminación ing, ando, yendo, breakfast, desayuno. Muy bien. ¿Qué vamos a hacer ahora? Ahora vamos a empezar a trabajar con los ejercicios with the exercise 1 to 12, okay? Well, I'm gonna put the exercises. Let me see. I don't know if you can sew exercise 5. Okay, excellent. Now you can sew it better. In here we got 1, 2, 6. Later I'm gonna change the page so you can sew the rest. Well, in here we got Karen, Mr. and Mrs. Clark. We got in here the verb to be the personal pronoun you, Gary and Jane, and Miss Baker. Well, right now you're gonna hear all the 6 exercises, and what are you gonna do? You're gonna hear it. You can put it again, the listen part, so you can listen better and you can write it better, okay? Well, about you. Okay, when you hear it, you are gonna, in your notebook, yes, start to write the example. What are you hearing? Yes? Be careful, please, with your handwriting, okay? Let's start.
Do exercises 1 through 11. You will hear the correct line after you speak. 1. We'll begin.
Where's Karen?
She's in the park.
What's she doing?
She's eating lunch.
2. We'll begin.
Where are Mr. and Mrs. Clark?
They're in the dining room.
What are they doing?
They're eating dinner. 3. We'll begin.
Where are you?
I'm in the bedroom.
What are you doing?
I'm playing the guitar.
4. We'll begin.
Where are you?
We're in the living room.
What are you doing?
We're playing cards.
5. We'll begin.
Where are Gary and Jane?
They're in the yard.
What are they doing?
They're playing baseball.
6. We'll begin.
Where's Miss Baker?
She's in the cafeteria.
What's she doing?
She's drinking milk.
7. We'll begin.
Where are you?
We're in the library.
What are you doing?
We're studying English.
8. We'll begin.
Where's Miss Johnson?
She's in the classroom.
What's she doing?
She's teaching mathematics.
9. You begin.
Where's Marvin?
He's in the bathroom.
What's he doing?
He's singing.
10. You begin.
Where's Martha?
She's in the hospital.
What's she doing?
She's watching TV.
11. You begin.
Where's your friend?
He's in the park.
What's he doing?
He's listening to music.
Okay, now in the activity 12, what are you gonna do? You are gonna do a little draw in this square, and later you're gonna write an example with the question, the answer, and the question. Example. Let's do it with Adriana. Yes? Here's Adriana in McDonald's eating a McFlurry. Yes? Where? Sorry. I'm gonna ask, where is she? And some one of you are gonna answer me. Well, maybe Samuel. And he is gonna answer me. She is in McDonald's. And I'm gonna ask once again what she's doing. And he's gonna answer me. She is eating a McFlurry. And this is all the example that you're gonna do on this little square. Remember, in here, you're gonna write with micro handwriting. Yes? Remember the exercises from 1 to 11. You're gonna do it on your notebook. Watch out with your handwriting. Once again, please. Letra clara y legible. Cuidado con la estructura gramatical. Por eso, observen bien el ejemplo, el modelo de la página 20. Continuamos entonces. Okay, in the page 22, this is just a reading. Yes? We got the reading in the park and we got at home in the jar. Please, I'm gonna give you, 1 minute, yes? So you can read this paragraph, yes? And later you are gonna answer your reading comprehension, yes? Your reading comprehension, you're gonna do it all by yourself, yes? The only part that I'm gonna put you the track, I'm gonna do it just in here, the listening section, yes? Well, in here, reading and checkup, you are just gonna write T equals for true or F equals for false, yes? And later in here, in your own word, form, writing, and discussing, you just gonna write on your notebook. Yes, you're gonna imagine you know this family, yes? And you're gonna write about what are they doing, just like the exercise at the beach. The Martinez family is at the beach today. Using this picture, tell a story about the Martinez family. Well, let's start with the listening exercise. Yes? Well, let's go. Well, are you quite ready? Well, I'm gonna put the track and you're gonna listen and you're gonna highlighting. Yes? Well, let's start.
Listen and choose the correct answer. 1.
What are you doing?
2.
What's Mr. Carter doing?
3.
What's Ms. Miller doing?
4.
What are Jim and Jane doing?
5.
What are you and Peter doing?
6.
What am I doing?
Okay. I want you to put pause if you didn't finish. If you need to put it again, the listening section, you can do it. Yes? When you finish, you can start from the minute 12:47. Well, you already finished the exercise, and what are we gonna do? With heart, please, being honest. If you have it bad, you're gonna put an X. Si lo tienen, se lo van a calificar. Si lo tienen bueno, se van a chequear. Si lo tienen malo, se van a colocar una X. ¿De acuerdo? Bueno, la primera decía, What are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Cuál sería la respuesta correcta? She is studying or I am studying. Perfecto. La respuesta correcta sería I am studying. La segunda. Tenemos. Decía, What's Mr. Carter doing? What Mr. Carter doing? ¿Qué está haciendo el señor Carter? He is eating or she is eating? Very good. The answer is he is eating. Number 3. We got what Mrs. Miller doing? We got the option he is watching TV or she is watching TV. Good job. She is watching TV. Very good. The number 4. What are Jim and Jane doing? They are cooking. 5. What are you and Peter doing? We are planting flowers. A. And the last one is, what am I doing? You are playing baseball or we are playing baseball? You are playing baseball. And that's all. And we finished the classes. What are you gonna do now? You're gonna work on your